Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I came with another video. Today I came with the video of analysis of school curriculum, and this is also another part of B.ED. It is a part from 1.2.8a. The whole practicum name is analysis of school curriculum at different stages. Hopefully you enjoy my video, and do like, share and comment below to let me know if you really love my video. So before starting, I would like to say that this is a video where I will analyze how the school curriculum have to be written, and the way the school curriculum is important, and this is very easy, and also it's very informative, and it is also it is for, as it is for school curriculum. So as I have just used a school curriculum of West Bengal, you can if you are from any other state, you have to use the school curriculum of that particular state, and also the prescribed state board which is being asks for you in the your university, and or your from your colleges. So but let's start. As you can see here that I have made the selection of the topic. You can also make objective of the topic. Both are the same thing. Actually, an object of the topic, why you have to explain why you have to chosen this particular practicum in detail, which is not very much necessary in selection of the topic. The next is the index page. As you can see, I have used the chart paper, and on that I have used glitter pen, which you can do, or you can do it in another different way. Here is the the introduction part. Then you have to come here. In introduction part, you have to do, or you have to write about what is curriculum, what are the goals of curriculum, means why is curriculum necessary for your education, and everything. All these details you have to write here in this introductory part. Then the next we come up for the purpose of curriculum. This is also very important in this practicum, is that you have to write the purpose of each of your curriculum, how your curriculum is, what are the what is your purpose of this curriculum, what is the purpose of doing this particular curriculum, how it is useful for you, how it is beneficial for you. This is you have to write. The next is the basic principles of constructing a curriculum. So as you can see, you have to write the principles of constructing a curriculum. The first is the principle of child-centeredness. Why it is, why the curriculum has to be very much child-centered. Next is the principle of flexibility and variety. So it is very important for a curriculum to be in a variety of ways, and obviously very flexible, or else it will be difficult for the students to cope up to take it. The next is the principle of correlation. As you can see, how it is correlated with the subjects, how it is subject specific and all. Then the next is the principle of integration, how this ensures an overall development of the student. This is what the curriculum has to ensure. The next is principle of community service, how it is helps for our society, what are the things it helps for us. Then the next is the principle of values. What are the values, the spirit, whether it is spiritual, democratic or aesthetic, what are the values it preaches us. And the next is the principle of totality, in a total way how it is useful for the students, that we have to know. Then comes different types of curriculum. What are the different types of curriculum? This is all this you can get in the internet, and also in your prescribed book, which has been given to, which will be given to you from your school, colleges and universities. You can get everything from there. So you can see that here is explicit curriculum, implicit curriculum, null curriculum, extracurricular experiences that I have written. Then comes the analysis of curriculum in different schools in West Bengal. This part is specific to the state board or the prescribed board which is being asked to you by your university and colleges to do, this is the part where you have to do that. As my prescribed board was from of West Bengal board, so I have written here different analysis of curriculum in different schools in West Bengal. So if it is from some other place like from Assam or Madhya Pradesh or Delhi, then that particular state name you have to write. If it is prescribed by you, it's prescribed to you by your colleges and university, not by yourself just like that, but if it is prescribed to you, then only you have to write that, or else no, or else whichever board they prescribe you to write, that board you have to write here. So first is the primary aim of education. What is the primary aim? As you can see, listening, speaking, reading, writing, that is the primary aim of education. Then we have sports and games, how sports and games helps in building good students life, that we have to have to understand. Then constructive and creative work means anything innovation or creative like crafts and everything that you have to do to make the students think out of the box kind of a thing they have to can do. Then as you can see, learning in doing, the or first hand experience, the whatever first hand experience the students have while in the class, that you have to write from here. That is learning experience. This is the syllabus. From here, the syllabus of that particular board which has been prescribed to you by your college and university, those syllabuses you have to write. Like here I have written the primary level, then primary level whatever subjects and whatever things, whatever syllabus we have here in primary level, class 1 2 3 4. Then we have the secondary level, we have first language, second language, third language. So whatever the syllabus it is that I have written, then what are the subjects there are, that I have mentioned here, as you can understand. So you can't copy this because obviously, if the board is the same then all right, if no board is not the same then you cannot copy it, because that way your invigilator might catch you. So here comes the higher secondary level. We have two, the general stream and vocational streams. Accordingly I have written whatever the syllabus or the subjects there are. Then comes the nature of curriculum. This is a normal part, the part where you have to write for on a both specific way, that is means up to higher secondary level, that is all right, that is up to that. From here, nature of curriculum, again you have to write it from the internet or from prescribed book. Accordingly, whatever is prescribed or preferred, you can write it from here. So as you can see, I have written that. Then this is the analysis of curriculum. Here I have taken two classes, one class is class 9 and one is class 10. So here I have written the subject, as my subject of method paper is history. Your method paper is very important. Here you have to write it on the basis of your method paper. Here as my method paper is history, so I have written history. Then the name of the book, as it is in class 9, the name of the book, whatever name of the book of the prescribed history book is there for class 9, of that prescribed board, obviously you have to take the class book, the book of the class of that prescribed board, which you have given the syllabus in the previous part, that you have to write, and the chapter name. And this is just the contents you have to write, not just anything detail, anything just like that, make a table and do just exactly this way. The contents you have to write, and whatever page number it is there, means whichever page number, whichever chapter. So one thing also I have to say it in detail, that the chapter which you have to take in, this is the content, means the content of the chapter, means these are the subunits of the chapter. So whichever page the subunit of the chapter is given, that page number I have given. This content is not the book content but the chapter subunits. Okay, in that same way, this is also have been done, the subject name, then the name of the book, then chapter and the content of the chapter. Here you can see I have taken class 10, and accordingly the page number. Then this is a very interesting part and the very easy one is the analysis of information. As you can see here, this is the indicator. You can write the indicator exactly this only. These are the indicators which will be, you can find it in your book also. It is, these are the indicators, and you have to write the give a column here for, leave a column for class 9 and a class 10, and accordingly, means according to the indicator, you have to describe how the students or the curriculum is useful for the student of those particular classes. Like in nature of curriculum, as you can see here in this class, the number of subjects has been a lot, which had overburdened the students. This is more criticized by by the parents. Then you have in class 10 that the subjects and the chapters are appropriate and less burden on students, comparatively less critical. So in one you have to write negative and one you have to write positive. Either in class 9 you have to write negative or class 10 you have to write positive in each indicator. It's not like in all indicators you have to give class 9 to be bad and class 10 to be good. No, if you are writing in one indicator class 9 to be bad and class 9 10's curriculum to be good, in the next indicator you can write it vice versa. Okay, so not just it's not about like this is bad or something, but you have to write it in a negative way, not in a very positive way. Some will be a little, some indicators will be for a particular class will be in a has a negative sense, while the other will be in a positive sense. It's not necessarily you have to like thoroughly you have to write it in a negative sense or in a positive sense, but as I have said, vice versa, and like that you can do it. Then comes the conclusion. So you have to conclude the whole of the practicum, how you have done it, what are the things you have learned and everything. Then comes the references. So this is the end of my practicum here. So if you really love my practicum, do really comment in the below the video. If you really want to if you have any kind of a problem of understanding, please do let me know. Please do give some advice and also your feedback in the comment, and do like and share, and so that others can also get help. And also I would like to request to you, if you really want more contents, please do let me know. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Let's meet again. Bye bye.